As I was writing this, I became very aware that everybody I talked to who had ever read the book, I'm like, what do you remember about the book? What's your favorite part? And they're all like, the cat. So you got to write the cat song. So this is a little piece about a 4-foot-tall, talking, sharpshooting black cat. I'm beginning to lose my cool demeanor. I'm beginning to feel maligned. Some of you act as if you can't conceive or imagine a cat might speak his mind. Let me tell you something, brother. Ever since my fuzzy mother's tits went dry, I took pride in saying exactly what I mean. If I'm sporting a feline gleam, the healthy course is just believe that I am serious. I mean, look at my puss, you best listen when the cat talks. Pay attention when the cat walks in the room. He might be telling you that something's just around the corner, that something might be someone's gonna do. If that cat is standing up right like a piano sounded so right, and that clock is drumming midnight on the brain, please refrain from looks of wonder. Check the ticket for your number. You might be leaving on the next damn train. You best listen when the cat talks. Pay attention when the cat walks in the room. He might be telling you that something's just around the corner, that something might be something's coming to do. Well, when that black cat is crossing your path, you can jump to the left, you can run to the back, but I'm faster than a fool can whistle, and I'm a dead eye with my silver pistol. You best listen when the cat talks. Pay attention when the cat walks in the room. I know that brains is what you lack. You better hear up when this cat is yakking. I might be conversationalizing some information that's quite surprising. Roll on.